National Aluminium Company, a unique case of continuous fall in prices in spite of rising profits quarter after quarter. Aluminium producer of great size and repute, end-to-end presence in the value chain of aluminium and chemicals, including power generation. Nalco's Alumina refinery going through an expansion in capacity, existing capacity of 2.1 million tons per annum getting enhanced with additional capacity to be on stream by the end of this fiscal. Overseas mining exploration jointly with Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited MECL and Hindustan Copper through KABIL focus on Latin American countries. Growing net worth, an index of strong flowback over years, a balance sheet of a total asset base of over 20,000 crores, net worth supporting more than 75% of balance sheet, a phenomenal growth, with funding mostly from internal accruals. Muted revenue growth over quarters. But sizable growth observed in the latest 2 quarters. Margin shows a steep rise over last 6 quarters and a corresponding improvement in profitability, which has helped the company maintain an improved dividend yield of over 6%. A surprising anticlimax in the share price movement of Nalco. Profit after tax has kept its improving growth while global aluminium prices has been moving sideways and at times with negative bias. Market price of Nalco appears reflecting movement of global aluminium prices rather than moving with its own profits, which have been quite positive and rising quarter after quarter. And that is the reason price registers a decline in spite of constantly rising profits, particularly during the last 4 quarters. The period from May 24 to February 2025 is noted for a cycle of steep fall in alumina prices with a strong continuous recovery. Since February 2025, the sliding pattern has resurfaced with a steep collapse ending with April 2025. Among the reasons for a fall in alumina prices is supply chain issues following civil unrest in Mozambique, a significant alumina producer. The alumina industry is caught up in a narrow price range of $2,200 to $2,800 per ton for the last 1 year. This has affected severely the output prices and impacted share prices and corporate profits. The share price of Nalco has started the cycle of fall ever since December 2024 and has remained in a descending trajectory all through the period. Recovery has remained quite weak and feeble, leaving price back at square one. All this largely due to poor global demand and continuous fears on US tariff enhancements. With less than proportionate change in price to the phenomenal rise in profits, the price earning multiple of Nalco has been down to a level closer to 2 years ago. The price having been detached from profits and firmly aligned to global alumina prices, the attractiveness of a falling PE might be a misleading indicator till the global price start moving along an uptrend. Changes in shareholding pattern over last 1 year throw much light on growing interest, particularly from FPIs and DIIs. The interest might have been influenced by anticipated improvement in global alumina price and their positive impact on the share price of Nalco going forward. A continuous fall in trading quantity over a period of 6 months, accompanied by a corresponding fall in share price in a descending channel since December 2024, suggests positivity. Price and quantity falling together and forcefully suggest a higher probability of reversal, possibly supported by recovery in global alumina prices. A solid balance sheet, debt-free status and a growing net worth, rising profits benefiting from a strong operating leverage, also consolidating with planned expansion in capacity. Global volatility in prices caused by mainly China and US is a overhang on the future performance and profits of Nalco. Hope you found this presentation on Nalco to your liking. I am Vitthal Prabhu with the fortnightly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You can access similar videos with a rich content at our info card. We look forward to your positive response. If you are new to the channel, may please subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.